Yo, what's good everyone, it's Cinou here and welcome back. So a lot of you guys asked me recently, how do I do those colorful translations that I use certainly in my tip videos? So I thought it would be cool today if I show you guys how you can make those translations. It's actually so easy, but the results are amazing. So with that being said, let's get started. So of course we're going to be using KineMaster. If you guys don't have KineMaster, the link will be down in the description below. Now before we start this video, I know most of you guys are going to be telling me in the comment section below that I have more features in KineMaster than you. And that's simply because you have the older version of KineMaster. So what you want to do is you go ahead and just install KineMaster that you have right now on your device and go to the description below and download the brand new version without watermark. Okay, well, once you're done, go ahead to the video that you guys would like to add the translation to it. And the first thing that you should do is to go ahead and add a blur effect by pressing on this layer button, and you should find this effect button right over here. Now once again, if you don't have this effect button, it means that you have the older version of KineMaster and you need to download the brand new one from the description below. But if you have it, basically go ahead and press on the effect button and press on the basic effects that comes with KineMaster. Now if you press on it, in the basic effects you should find two blur effects. We're gonna be using the one on the left because it's much more smoother and I think it's gonna fit the translation better. But as you can see right over here, the problem is it's only affecting this area right over here. And how to fix that? It's basically just treat it as it is an image layer. Go ahead and zoom it right over here, and as you can see now it blurs the whole image. You can also go to the settings, and as you can see by default it should say 2, but you can go ahead and increase it to a much higher number. I'm gonna go with 4 because I think it looks better. Okay, now the blur effect is actually done. Now we need to move on to the color. Okay, now to do that, you're gonna go ahead to the layers, press on it, and this time we need to import an image. So press on this image button, and as you can see, it's going to take you to our library. Now by default, KineMaster should give you this background effects right over here. Press on it, and as you can see, you have a lot of backgrounds right over here. Now choose any color you want. For example, I'm gonna go with yellow. Okay, now go ahead and scale this background up till it fits the whole screen. If you look to the right, as you can see, you have all the layers effects. Now scroll down just a little bit and you will be able to see the alpha channel or the opacity. So basically press on it. By default, KineMaster should have it 100%. To make this background a little bit more transparent, all you have to do is to set it to around 40 or 50%. And there you have it. We have this transparent, blurry-ish looking background. But now we need to animate it. So to do that, press on the background that we just added, and as you can see in the right, you should find the end animation. So basically go ahead and just scroll all the way to the bottom, and you can see you have the enter slide in animation. So choose anything. For example, I'm gonna go ahead and choose enter slide app, and then go back and go to the out animation. So go ahead and go again to the bottom of the animations, and as you can see, you see there is exit slide animations. Again, choose anything. I'm going to choose exit slide down, and now we simply have this animation right over here. Alright, now it's the time to add the text. First thing, go ahead to exactly when the background starts right over here and go to the layers, and as you can see, you can press on the text. And now just write what is your next subject that you are gonna talk about, and you can do any modifications to the text. For example, you can add a brand new font or whatever, and make sure that the text ends exactly when the background ends. Now let's go ahead and go to the end animation and make sure that you use the exact same in and out animation that you used on the background. If you guys remember, in the in animation in the background I used enter slide up, and for the out animation I used exit slide down. And at the end you should have something like this. So as you can see, this translation looks so cool, and what's cool about it is it's fully customizable. The animations and the color of the background and the text is fully customizable by you, which I think is pretty amazing. Y'all know that I love creativity, so go ahead and be creative and just create your very own translations. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up down below. Also subscribe if you didn't join me already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.